Recently, I manually flashed Android 11 update on my Xiaomi Mi A3 which caused me trouble. My set got bricked, not booting to stock ROM, not booting into fast boot mode, not even charging. Anyhow, I unbricked my device and brought my Xiaomi Mi A3 back into action. In case if you are stuck in this type of situation, so just follow my steps. You may get lucky to make your set to boot back into Android 11. If you are new on my channel, then do not forget to subscribe it and click or tap the bell icon. Thank you for your support. First, moving towards my computer screen. I will leave the links in my video description. So make a new folder and download all these 4 files. In my case, I unzip the Mi Flash 2017 and then open the extracted folder and install Mi Flash 2017 on my Windows. Why I did that? Just because I knew it that when I will connect my mobile phone in EDL mode with Windows, the Windows will definitely ask for the drivers. So this Mi Flash 2017 will help me. So I will suggest you to double click the setup file, install it on Windows. So the driver will get installed automatically when you are connecting the Xiaomi Mi A3 in EDL mode with Windows. And in case still after installing the Mi Flash 2017 your Windows is not installing the driver, is asking you to install the driver, then the driver folder is there. You can extract the driver file, then open the driver folder and select the particular driver for the EDL mode to install it on Windows. Then come back to main folder and extract the Mi Flash 2020 and then extract service ROM. This is the Android 11 patch ROM which will make our set to boot back into Android 11. Let me remind you that Mi Flash 2017 is just for the installing the drivers and we will be using this Mi Flash 2020. Open the extracted folder and this is the Xiaomi Mi Flash file which will help us to flash the service ROM which is Android 11 on Mi A3. You need to open the back cover of Mi A3. Then you need to unscrew all 11 screws here to open this back cover. Right. First of all, you need to unattach the battery connector. This is the battery connector, the white one. Disconnect the connector of battery, right? And here you can see these 2 points, 1 and 2. These 2 points need to be attached when connecting the cable with this type of tool. Much easy to apply the procedure. This is little bit tricky one, but once you did you don't have to do it again. Put it on these 2 points and now connect the cable. The cable is connected. The Windows will give you a sound. Go to the My PC properties, then to the device manager and go to the ports. Here you can see the Qualcomm DQD loader 9008. This is the EDL mode and the driver is installed successfully. Right, my side is connected in EDL mode. Right, now come to the computer screen. Now go to the service extracted ROM folder, another folder here. Just double click on it and bunch of file, you can see it here. Now go back, copy this particular folder from here and paste it to the main hard drive partition. Do not paste this folder to any document folder. Do not paste this folder to a desktop or to in subfolder. This single particular folder having all the bunch of files need to be copied on the main partition of the hard drive. Right, double click the newly pasted folder and see all the files are there. Go back to the downloaded folder, open the Mi Flash extracted folder. Here you can see Xiaomi Flash application. Double click on it, click yes on another window. Now click select, go to that partition where I have just copied the extracted folder of ROM file. Here it is, service ROM. Click on it. You must see the images folder. Now click OK. Come down and select the flash all and then click refresh. See, the set is detected by the Windows. Now click flash. Flashing gets started. It will take a little bit time. Just wait. Do not plug in any USB while flashing. Wait, let the flashing to be complete, then we will continue. Well, you can see the flashing got succeed and the result is success. Right. Now your phone will still be in EDL mode. Right. Disconnect the cable from mobile phone first and still the set will not switch on. First reattach the battery connector, this one. Simply push it and it will get attached. Now you need to put this cover back on Mi A3. Without putting this back cover, you cannot power on the device. The power key will work if this back cover is attached. Now first you need to attach the charging cable to check the set is charged or not. Sometime after flashing, battery drains out. Now I can power on my device. Here we go. Thank God my Mi A3 got unbrick again after bricking it. So this is how I unbrick my Mi A3 when my set got bricked after flashing the Android 11. In case if you are in this kind of situation, you can follow this procedure. Maybe you get lucky unbricking your set Mi A3 to Android 11. Thank you for watching and stay connected with my channel by subscribing it and click or tap the bell icon also. Thank you. Goodbye.